you know, I mean, if we're going to compare.
This is William and Jacob. William is in the dark green. That was too cute.
Well, it's the yummy again.
All right, I'll have a sandwich.
It's number 20. You got pick number.
Okay. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. And your anxiety.
Go, Harley Capone!
Of course she knows it was me who complained. Now I'm responsible for this woman quitting. Oh, this is unbelievable.
I know. I screwed up. It's all my fault.
I'll dial the number.
How
How could you do this?
I was just trying to help you.
Help me. Hello? Sandra? Hi, this is Jerry Seinfeld. Listen, I just want to tell you there's been a terrible... See, I told Elaine that it was a real phone. And she thought I was being sarcastic, you know, because I'm a comedian and all. She thought I think, yeah, it's a real treat talking to her on the phone. Yeah, but I was really being sincere. No, of course I like you. Hold on a second. Christy, what's that? Drink. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah, I know where that is. Okay. Okay, bye. Now I'm gonna have a drink with that.
Oh, that's Million CB.
3% lighter. Call your representative and order a new alternative intensive eye cream. Now it's year one. Save an extra 20% on your favorite items. It's the best brand. Only one Lansdale.
I'm sorry. That's your nanny for you.
Yeah, you gotta hold his head. Their heads are,
He was really cute.
Put it down. Put it down. Yeah, right, Lord.
Bless. Bless. Oh my goodness, are you okay, Tinker? Here. ¡Achú! ¡Achú! Mi Nina. ¡Achú!
Bueno, Carmen, estábamos hablando entonces de esta campaña de las FARC. Sí, la Secretaría Distrital de Ambiente ha invitado a la comunidad para que el próximo domingo de Ramos utilicemos esas dos alternativas ecológicas.